Passive income is money you continue to earn even when you're not actively working or trading your time for money. In the United States, the concept of passive income has become extremely popular over the last decade because people no longer want to rely on only a single salary. With rising living costs, economic uncertainty, and job instability, many Americans are looking for ways to build additional income streams that can support them in the long term. Relying on just one paycheck is seen as risky because jobs can be lost, companies can fail, industries can change, and entire economies can shift unexpectedly. For many people in the U.S., passive income is not about luxury or getting rich overnight. It's about financial security and freedom. Having multiple income sources means you're less dependent on one employer or one system. That is why passive income is often viewed as a key part of long-term financial planning and wealth building. However, there is a major misunderstanding when it comes to passive income. Many people believe that passive income means earning money without doing any work at all. In reality, this is rarely true. Most passive income methods require time, effort, money, or skills up front. You usually have to work first, build something, invest capital, or create a system before you can earn passively. The process is simple in theory, but challenging in practice. First, you build the system. Then, once the system is set up correctly, it can continue to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. This could be through investments, digital platforms, online businesses, or automated systems. The key difference between active and passive income is not the absence of work, but when the work is done. In this series, we will explore the most common and realistic passive income methods used in the United States today. We will avoid exaggeration and unrealistic promises. Instead, we will focus on what actually works, what only looks good on social media, and which passive income strategies are truly sustainable in the long term for ordinary people. One of the most common and well-known passive income methods in the United States is investing in dividend-paying stocks and exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. This approach is especially popular among long-term investors who are focused on stability rather than quick profits. Dividend income allows investors to earn regular payments simply by holding shares of certain companies or funds. ETFs play a major role in passive income investing because they combine many different companies into a single investment. Instead of relying on the performance of one company, investors gain exposure to entire sectors or markets. This diversification helps reduce risk and makes ETFs attractive for beginners and experienced investors alike. One of the most popular examples is the S&P 500 ETF, which represents the largest and most influential companies in the U.S. economy. Many of these companies generate strong and consistent profits, and they reward shareholders by paying dividends on a regular basis. These payments can be received quarterly and reinvested to accelerate long-term growth. Over time, reinvesting dividends can significantly increase the value of a portfolio through compounding. However, dividend investing is not a fast way to earn high monthly income. While it is considered relatively safe and predictable, the returns grow slowly. To generate substantial passive income from dividends alone, a large amount of invested capital is usually required. For this reason, dividend stocks and ETFs are commonly used as part of retirement planning and long-term wealth-building strategies, rather than short-term income solutions.
Real estate is one of the most popular and widely used passive income methods in the United States. When people think about passive income, rental properties are often the first thing that comes to mind. Many Americans invest in residential or commercial real estate to generate monthly rental income and build long-term wealth. Owning rental property in the U.S. can create a steady cash flow, especially in high-demand areas. Investors earn income from tenants while the property itself may increase in value over time. This combination of rental income and property appreciation makes real estate attractive as a long-term investment strategy. However, real estate is not completely passive. Property owners are responsible for maintenance, repairs, taxes, insurance, and dealing with tenants. To reduce this workload, many investors hire property management companies. While this reduces stress and saves time, it also reduces monthly profit due to management fees. Financing plays a major role in U.S. real estate investing. Many investors use mortgages to buy properties, allowing them to control valuable assets with relatively small down payments. When rental income covers mortgage payments and expenses, the property can gradually become a source of passive income. Despite its potential, real estate also carries risks. Poor location choices, market downturns, or unexpected expenses can reduce profits or lead to losses. For this reason, successful real estate investors focus on careful planning, proper analysis, and long-term strategy rather than quick gains.
In recent years, digital passive income has become one of the fastest-growing income models in the United States. Advances in technology and online platforms have made it easier than ever for individuals to create digital assets that can generate income over time. Unlike traditional investments, digital income often requires more effort at the beginning but less capital. One of the most popular digital passive income methods is YouTube. Many creators build channels without showing their face, focusing on educational, financial, or informational content. These channels earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate partnerships. Once videos are published and optimized, they can continue generating views and income for years. Affiliate marketing is another widely used method in the U.S. With this strategy, individuals promote products or services through unique links and earn a commission for every sale or sign-up. Affiliate income works especially well when combined with YouTube videos, blogs, or email newsletters. Over time, successful affiliate systems can generate consistent passive income with minimal maintenance. Digital products also play a major role in passive income strategies. Ebooks, online courses, templates, and digital tools are created once and sold repeatedly. In the U.S., many entrepreneurs use digital products to monetize their knowledge and skills. While competition exists, strong branding and targeted audiences can turn digital products into reliable income sources. Although digital passive income offers high scalability, it is not instant. Building traffic, trust, and systems takes time. However, once established, digital income streams can provide flexibility, global reach, and long-term financial potential. Passive income sounds attractive, but it is important to understand the reality behind it. Many people are drawn to passive income because they want freedom, flexibility, and financial security. However, the biggest mistake most beginners make is believing that passive income is easy or instant. In reality, every passive income stream involves risk, effort, and patience. In the United States, people who successfully build passive income usually do not rely on just one method. Instead, they combine multiple income streams, such as investments, real estate, and digital assets. This diversification helps reduce risk and creates more stability over time. When one income source slows down, others can continue performing. Another important factor is expectations. Social media often shows extreme success stories, luxury lifestyles, and fast results. What is rarely shown is the time, effort, and failures behind those outcomes. Sustainable passive income is not about shortcuts. It's about building systems that can survive market changes and economic cycles. Risk management is also critical. Poor planning, lack of research, and emotional decisions can lead to financial losses. Successful investors focus on long-term strategy, education, and consistent improvement rather than chasing trends. In the end, passive income is not a myth, but it is not magic either. It is a long-term process that rewards discipline, patience, and smart decision-making. Those who approach it realistically are far more likely to achieve lasting financial freedom. If you found this series helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
In the next videos, we'll go deeper into each passive income method and explain how beginners can get started step by step. Comment below and let me know which passive income strategy interests you the most. Your feedback helps shape future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.